I hope you all are good, fine, and definitely enjoying with your family this holiday season. Let's talk about current situation, what's going on in Canada. So right now lockdown has been imposed till 23rd of January. Right now we are not allowed to have any parties or gathering outside here in any restaurants or bars. So everything is shut here, even malls and everything. So only grocery stores and pharmacy stores are open. So don't be sad if you are thinking that, oh, we are not allowed to go out and all. Because initially I was feeling sad. This is my first Christmas in Canada and we're not supposed to go out. So spending quality time with each other, that is more important. Fortunately, good thing happened with us is that just 2 days before lockdown happened, we went to see two beautiful Christmas market. So I'm gonna share those videos later in my channel. By the time this vlog will up, I think the Christmas would be over. You know what, guys? I thought that it would snow today, but unfortunately, it's not. Instead, it's raining heavily, and it's already, guys, 3:30. I didn't get much time to vlog in the morning today because it's our day off, and we were just being so lazy and cozy and enjoying our day off. I started just vlogging right now. It's so let me show you how the weather is outside. This is how the weather outside, guys. Can you believe it's 3:30? It's raining a lot since last night. It's time for Christmas presents. Let's exchange our gifts. Okay. Both are the same parcel. This is for you.
Thank you.
And this is for me. Okay, so when I woke up today in the morning, I already saw that Harsh has put my present here, but I got the idea what it is because it was already written here that Bath and Body Works. So it's a brand that offers you products like bath bombs, shampoos and aroma candles, and they are very famous here in Canada. So I got a little bit of idea what it can be inside.
Yes.
So let's check that out what it is. Open your present. Tomorrow
And I don't have anything from Bath and Body. She's got me this beautiful
Okay,
red sweater.
okay, so I'll tell you, I forgot to buy wrapping paper, so I had this one with me, so I used that for you.
It's really nice. I like it.
Okay.
Nice color, nice size.
Actually, I went to buy holiday or Christmas PJ for Harsh. I didn't get for his size, so I thought red would be nice. And since it's Christmas, that's
Yep.
why I bought this. But this is not
Perfect.
your actual present. I'm going to get you
Okay.
soon a good one.
Lucky me.
Yes. Abhi, now it's time for me. Open it, open it. What it is? Oh, these are the candles.
Yep, 2 big candles.
Okay. This one is mahogany teak wood high intensity. Ah, amazing. So this is the candle which Harsh has gotten as a Christmas present. I don't want to light it up because these are already so beautiful. I can use it as for my decoration. So you know what? I am remembering one incident with this candle. When Harsh was coming to India to meet us, so he was bringing this type of candles for me. Customs the candles were seized. No worries, I got this time my candles. So thank you. Why don't you guys let me know in the comment section below what is the best gift you have received in Christmas and what is the weirdest gift you have received in Christmas. So guys, we are all dressed up and as you can see हम दोनों ने रेड पहना हुआ है. मैं दिखाती हूँ अभी हर्ष ने भी रेड पहना है. Actually जो मैंने सीक्रेट सेंटर प्रेजेंट दिया था उसने वही पहना हुआ है. Since it's Christmas, so we thought let's cook something special tonight. So we are going to cook. Actually Harsh is going to cook chicken lasagna. People those who don't know what lasagna is, it's an Italian dish. It's kind of a flat pasta. We are making it with chicken. It can be cooked with veggies as well. I will show you all the process how we are going to make it. It's our first time that we are cooking lasagna. So that's our menu for tonight. So Harsh has started the process of preparing marinara sauce. So let me tell you how this sauce is being prepared. So we are blanching the tomatoes over here so that we can peel the skin and we can remove the seeds as well. So all the seeds have been removed and skin have been removed as well. So now what we are going to do, we are going to grind this tomato for our sauce. Is that correct, chef?
Yes. Then we'll cook it for some time with some herbs.
Okay.
It's a chance to start over new, cause I missed you so.
हाँ तो हम ये रेसिपी फॉलो कर रहे हैं. मैं 3-4 रेसिपीज देखी थी तो उसका अमेलगमेशन है. मे बी ऑथेंटिक हो या ना हो तो कोई ऑफेंड ना हो इटालियन अगर वो देख रहा हो कोई वीडियो तो ये.
Yes. So we are going to cook our tomato puree for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So now it's time to add basic Italian herbs like this one is basil, oregano, chili flakes. चलो आप लोगों को बताने के बहाने मैं भी सीख रही हूँ लजानिया कैसे बनाते हैं.
So guys, lasagna is prepared with both red and white sauce, and right now we are in a process of making red sauce with minced chicken. Add chopped red onions, garlic and green chilies to the olive oil or whatever refined oil you would like to use.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh,
So guys, right now we are using this minced chicken, and the alternate option is you can either use shredded chicken as well as for if you want to make vegetable lasagna, then आप लोग bell peppers भी अलग अलग use कर सकते हो.
I've been wrapping
So we are adding tomato gravy in this minced chicken.
marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Next step is to make white sauce. So we are adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoon of butter, and we are going to cook it for next 2-3 minutes.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So guys, ये वाला पास्ते का पैकेट है. So इसमें total there are 16 pieces. This is how it looks. This is flat pasta. So I think हम लोग अगर 3-4 के लेयर बनाएंगे तो we can use all of them in our lasagna. So guys, the next step is to parboil the pastas. So we have to boil these pastas for 10 minutes. So guys, everything is ready. Now what we need to do is just to assemble all the stuff together. So pasta is ready, white sauce is ready, and minced chicken. So let's start. Okay, let's drizzle olive oil.
पास्ता रेडी हो गया है, साइड में रखिए और असेंबल करना शुरू कीजिए जल्दी जल्दी.
ठीक है, इसका ना गाइस एडजस्ट कर लेना साइज. हम लोगों ने काटा है इसको क्योंकि पास्ता की जो ट्रे है ये छोटी है और पास्ते की शीट्स लंबी है. सो एडजस्ट दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ट्रे. So guys, we are celebrating our cheat meal today.
चलो.
So guys, it's just 2 of us and I don't think so that we can eat it today. So we are going to freeze this for our next cheat meal day. This is the last layer. I hope you guys are enjoying this with us. हमें बताना जरूर comments में how did you like this recipe. वैसे पहले हम बताएंगे कि कैसी लगी खाने के बाद. So the last step is to add this foil.
To
and the
cover-
reason
cover
is
it with
इसको
foil.
सीलिंग के लिए लगाते हैं to cover it up so that your food will not burn. इनके 5 minutes में we will remove the foil so that वो अंदर से अच्छे से cook हो जाए.
हाँ जी.
क्योंकि foil लगाने के बाद इसमें होल करना है so that इसकी steam अपने आप बाहर निकल जाए.
Okay.
तो अभी इसको पूरे कॉर्नर्स को सील कर दिया अच्छे से. टाइम टू गो. सो गाइज इसको 30 मिनट्स तक अभी बेक करना है. सो यहाँ पे ना क्रिसमस के टाइम पे बहुत ही क्यूट चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं ग्रोसरी स्टोर में. लास्ट वीक वी वेंट टू डॉलरामा एंड वॉलमार्ट. सो वहाँ से हमने ये क्यूट सॉक्स लेके आए थे. ये काफ़ी अच्छी है, प्यारे प्यारे प्रिंट्स वाले सॉक्स हैं और काफ़ी वार्म और काफ़ी मोटे. हम लोगों को ना कॉफ़ी मग्स का बहुत शौक है. सो ये बहुत ही क्यूट कॉफ़ी मग था. ये दिस इज आई थिंक यूनिकॉर्न, दिस वन, एंड वी गॉट मिसेस क्लाउज एज वेल. So this one is mine, Mrs. Klaus. या हर्ष का ये वाला बहुत क्यूट सा है एनिमल, hedgehog, और हर्ष इसको प्यार से hedgy बोलता है. So this one is for him. So guys, this is another part of Christmas activity. This is gingerbread house. Actually, it's a tradition here. Kids make gingerbread house. It is basically a baked cookie. This is pre-baked kit. यहाँ इसके अंदर सारी चीजें हैं. We just need to assemble them. Icing है, candy है. अभी यहाँ पे ये घर की छतें हैं. It has jellies as well. So let's start making this.
Ooh, nice.
मजा आने वाला है ये तो एक्टिविटी का. So guys, this is what is this? This is icing. This is jelly. ये तो बचपन में खाते थे यार. balls. ये आप लोगों को याद है क्या? ये एक्चुअली इसका बेस है हाउस का. एक्चुअली हम लोग ना कुकी खुद से इसलिए नहीं बनाए क्योंकि वी आर ऑन अ डाइट. ठीक है.
क्योंकि आज आपको दिखा होगा कि हम कितने से फॉलो कर रहे हैं.
We are breaking our diet today by having this lasagna. So it's okay. So and we have already bought one packet of cupcakes. So I don't know who is gonna eat that. That pack has 12 or 15 cookies. So that's why it's just 2 of us. There's no point of baking any cake or cupcakes. So we thought this could be a fun activity. So and I think this is eatable as well. This is eatable as well.
इसमें लिख. तो बहुत हल्का पड़ रहा है.
Is ready. Harsh, what we are gonna do with this?
कल खाएंगे कॉफी के साथ.
Coffee के साथ. So guys, it's ready. Let's check it out. Oh my god, it looks yum. This is the final look, guys, of our lasagna.
Yes.
Merry Christmas. Not at all bad. It looks yum. Guys, ये सारी layers ऐसी दिखनी चाहिए lasagna की. So guys, that is it for today, and we are super tired because it took us 3.5 hours to cook lasagna, and it was really worth it. So if anybody is interested in Italian delicacy, then go for it definitely. So I hope you also had a wonderful day on Christmas, and I will see you all in my next vlog. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay at home, stay safe, and enjoy this holiday season with your loved ones. And wishing you all once again Merry Christmas!